Today we're going to be working on a schema, and a schema is basically a tool that helps you compare what you know and what you don't know. And then you do two activities. You write before you learn, or before you hear a story or read a book or read an article, and then you go back and add to it after you have studied an article or a book. So this week we're talking about oviparous animals, and we're going to be reading the book Chickens Aren't the Only Ones. So I want you to take out your Reader's Workshop paper, and you're going to start on day one. Before you listen to the story, you need to go through and you need to write down things that you already know about animals that lay eggs. Now, I've done an example for you. With mine, I wrote down birds lay eggs in nest. And eggs are different sizes and colors. Those are the things that I already know about animals that lay eggs. And then I drew a picture to go with that of a bird's nest. I know that birds lay eggs, and I know that those eggs are all different sizes and colors. That's one thing I know about animals that lay eggs. Now, you might know something else, and you might know more, or you might know less. Whatever you know, you can write down over here before you listen to the book. And then you're going to stop after you've done your writing, and you're going to listen to the story, and then we're going to come back to this page and write some more in a little bit. Okay? Now, if you would like, you may use my example, and you may copy the sentences I wrote, or if you prefer, you can write your own sentences.